I'm going to ask Pandas AI to take my DF and then sort zip codes. And that's it. It has sorted the data frame. Let's try something else. So Pandas AI, take my data frame and remove this TEL from phone number. Let's see what it does. And it has successfully cleaned up. Let's try something else. If you remember, handling date was difficult, right? So we had to build the format and then fix it. So I walked you through all the steps how to do it in Pandas in my last video. But this time I'm going to ask the AI to do it for me. Take my DF and fix the last updated with correct dates. Let's see what it does. There we go. Just in human language, my data frame is completely fixed. Now let me quickly show you how it works. So start with pip install Pandas AI, import couple of imports, then you have to use your OpenAPI key. Yes, it is a paid key, but it is very cheap key. Then the limitation is that it is going to send your complete data frame every time you make a prediction. So you have to keep your data frame really small. It's not going to work with data frames which are like 2 billion in size. It's not going to work with that. So for the simplicity, I'm using only 5 rows. And then these are some steps to initialize the model. And then you just use Pandas AI model that you have created to make these predictions. So in every call, the data frame will go to the server and come back with the return. Okay. And also note that as I'm talking to you, this query is executing and it takes a good 15-20 seconds for each step, right? So now the results have come. So this is the official homepage. I'm going to leave a link. You can try the installation. You can try the sample. So there are a lot of other options. Go and explore this library. So as you can see that sending data frame to the model in every call is not really feasible. For anything serious, which is like only 2 million rows, in this case, it's not going to be feasible, but this is a great start. And I'm actually hopeful, right? Don't be afraid, be hopeful that your data cleanup will be done by AI and you don't have to worry about these things. And you can free up your mind for decision making, which is the most important thing, which only humans can do. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.